Hi, I'm Tevec. I'm a belly dance teacher and performer, and welcome to this belly dance taster. So you'll be learning some beginner basic belly dance moves with me today, and we're going to just loosen up the body, maybe tap into some new muscles that you haven't before, and we're going to, above all else, have fun. So if you have a coin belt or a scarf, feel free to go and get one. You can wrap it around your waist. It'll help make you feel more part of the dance. If you don't, that's absolutely fine. All you need is yourself, and that's it. I will be mirroring you. So that means if I move this arm, you'll be moving your left arm. This is your left side. So if I do something with my left side, left leg, left arm, you do it with your left leg, left arm, and vice versa for the right side. So I could say left, right, for example, and you would do your left arm and your right arm. Okay, so take care. Nothing should hurt or feel awkward. And let's have some fun. Grab some water if you need it. First of all, let's start with very basic, our posture. So you can see me head to toe here. My weight is evenly distributed in my toes and in my heels. So throughout my feet, the weight is evenly distributed. We want to stack the knees above the ankles, hips in line with the knees, and then rib cage and shoulders, neck, all in line. So if you've got a little bit of a sway back, tilt your pelvis under slightly, engage your lower abs below the belly button. And if you've got a bit of a curve in your spine, take your chest forward so that we're nice and in line. Imagine a piece of string is lifting you, pulling you up, so you're growing tall. That's it. Okay, that's our basic posture. And our basic arms will be to the side at about your belly button height or rib cage height. And we want to let our armpits breathe. So try not to bring your elbows in. Give yourself some space to breathe. Open up your heart and smile. It doesn't hurt. Okay, this is our basic posture. So let's get started. We can relax our hands. So we are now going to do our routine. Nice and easy, simple. It looks like this. 5, 6, 7, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and circle. And again, chest shimmy. We circle. And again, chest shimmy. We're going to walk twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, 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 drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop, 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 drop. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, back. There we go. Don't worry, I'm not expecting you to know it. We're going to do it together now. So left side, we start walking 4 times to the front. Left, so come towards me. Left, right, left, right. We stop on the spot. Legs in line with our hips. Shimmy, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that 4 more times. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left, together, shimmy, 6, 7, 8. Again, 3 more times. 6, 7, and left, right, left, together, shimmy, 6, 7, 8. 2 more times. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 6, 7, and we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. Now we're going to step out with our left to our comfortable wide hip wide stance. We take our hips forward, left, back, and round. So remember this one? Yeah? So actually, let's go left, back, right, forward. And then a quick one and a bigger one. Okay, so the timing goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the second one, you're going, when your hips go back, your upper body will come forward slightly. If that doesn't feel comfortable, no need to do it. You can just do the arms, and we're going to hug and open. Okay, so for the first one, the hips go to the left, back and round. Second one, hug and open. Yes, so the counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring your right leg in. We're going to do that lovely chest shimmy. 5, 6, 7, 8. We repeat to the other side. Step out with your right and your hips go to the right as well. Right, back, left, forward. Second side. Right, back, left, forward. Bring your left leg in and chest shimmy. 6, 7, 8. Let's do that a few more times. Step out with your left leg. Hips go left, back, right, forward. Second time, left, back and hug. Bring the right leg in. Chest shimmy. 6, 7, 8. Right leg goes out. Hips right, back and around. Hug right, back and bring the left leg in. Chest shimmy. 6, 7, 8. And again, 2 more times. Here we go. To the left, back and round. Hug, back and round. Chest. Hip circle to your right. Right, back and round. Now hug. And chest shimmy. Fantastic. 6, 7. Last time. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Second time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that from the top. Here we go with the arms. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left, right. Shimmy 5, 6, 7. Hip circle. Left and round. Hug and round. Chest. 5, 6, 7. To your right. Right and round. Hug and round. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it 2 more times. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Walking forward and walk. 2, 3. Shimmy. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip circle. 1, 2. Hug. 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip circle. Right and round. Now hug. And here we go. Chest. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Lovely. Okay, we're going to walk twice to the left. So we're going to go left, right, left. Place your right leg in front. And we'll drop 1, 2, 3, 4. So recognize this move from before. We go to the right, right, left, right, left. Left foot is in front this time. I'll pose for the drop. 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again a few times to the left and right. 6, 7, and step. 1, 2, 3, place. Drop, drop, drop. Again. 1, 2, 3, place. Drop, 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 drop. To the left. right, left, right hip, drop, 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 right, left, left hip, 2, 3, 4. Yes, how's that? So we do that once to the left, once to the right. Let's add it to the beginning. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Shimmy. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Circle 1, 2. Hug 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6, 7. Hips to the right. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And chest. 6, 7. New section. We walk. 1, 2. Drop, 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 drop. Again. Right, left, drop, 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 drop. Excellent. I'm going to finish it off with the last bit. We're going to swing our hips and step forward and back with your left leg. So your right leg doesn't do anything. You just go forward, back. A bit like a swing. Okay, here we go. We'll keep the hands in front. The leg goes forward, back, forward, hold 4, and then back, forward, back, and we're going to lift the hip. Okay, again, we go forward, back, hold, back, forward, back, back. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and again. 1, 2, 3, hold. 5, 6, 7, and last time. 1, 2, 3, hold. 5, 6, 7, and excellent. Here we go. From the top, all of it together. Let's have fun. That's the last move. 5, 6, 7. Walking forward. 1, 2, 3, and hold. Shimmy. 5, 6, 7. Hip circle left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chest. 6, 7, 8. Right and round and hug and chest. 5, 6, 7, and double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leg. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 5, 6, 7, and 2 more times. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy. 5, 6, 7. Hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop. 5, 6, 7. Leg. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. And well done for keeping with me. Here we go. I'm going to put the music up for the last time. Roll the shoulders. Release your breath. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Here we go one last time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and yes, you did it! Excellent. Well done. Well done. Fantastic. I'm sure you all look great. And don't worry if you didn't get it. It's just about having fun, getting the body moving. So let's cool down slightly. Okay, so take a breath in, inhale. Hold your right wrist and lift up and over. Inhale, pull the belly button to lift you back to center. Exhale, release, BA. Hold the left wrist and reach up and over to the right. Inhale, breathe into the side of the body and lift yourself back up. Exhale to release. Bend your knees and hug your elbows as if you're hugging a big ball. Touch into chest and round your spine. And now we're going to bend the knees a little bit more generously and continue the arms, elbows towards the floor. And fully fold, nice generous bend in the knees. Allow the head to relax. Touch into chest, look through your legs. If you can place your hands on your floor, do so. If not, you can put them on your thighs or your shins. And we'll bend one time and straighten the legs as much as you can. No pressure. Again, bend the knees and straighten. And inhale, pull your belly button in and we will rebuild our spine. So touch into chest. Roll back up from your lower back, your middle back, upper back, shoulders and head last. We're going to circle the arms back twice. As it really reach back. If you're just woken up out of bed and you're stretching. Now you might need balance for this next move. But we're going to take one hand into the foot and hold the foot. There we go. Keep the knees together. Pull the belly button in. Inhale and exhale. We're going to change. Release the foot. Flex the foot and cross it over the opposite knee. So you've got this nice letter number 4 with a hole there in between the legs. Good. This is stretching your glute muscle and lifting back up. Other side. Take hold of the other foot. Knees together. Pull the belly button in. Relax your shoulders down. Inhale and exhale. Slowly take the foot across the opposite knee. Flex the foot. And if you can, come to a little squat as if you're sitting on a chair. Keep the chest lifted, shoulders back. Inhale to lift up and out. And we're going to shake off the legs. Take one leg behind. Bow. Back to the center. Take the other leg behind. And bow. And well done. Fantastic job. Thank you so much for dancing with me today. And I hope you enjoyed it. Have a lovely day.